SBI Sports Quota Recruitment 2024. The State Bank of India (SBI) has released the notification for the recruitment of 68 sportspersons including 12 officers and 51 clerical staff positions on a regular basis. The SBI Sports Quota 2024 notification has been released on the 23rd of July 2024 and the online applications will be accepted from the 24th of July to the 14th of August 2024. The eligible candidates can apply online for the SBI Bank Sportspersons Vacancy 2024 from the website bank.sb current openings page. The SBI Bank will recruit sportspersons only in the 8 disciplines including basketball, cricket, football, hockey, volleyball, kabaddi, table tennis, and badminton. Recruitment Organization State Bank of India SBI ADVT. No CRPD Sports 2024-25 07 Total posts 68 Notification date 23 July 2024 Categories B Sports Quota Vacancy 2024 Notification Official website bank.sb. The SBI Sports Quota 2024 notification has been released on the 23rd of July 2024. The SBI Sports Quota online application form will be accepted from the 24th of July to the 14th of August 2024. The assessment test sports trial dates will be notified later by the bank. Fee. The application fee to apply for the SBI Sports Quota Recruitment 2024 is ₹750 for general, OBC, and EWS candidates. The candidates belonging to the SC, ST, and POBD categories are exempted from the payment of the application fee. The candidates can pay the application fee online. Age limit. The age limit for the SBI offers posts is 21-30 years. The age limit for the SBI Clerk Sports Quota Recruitment 2024 is 20-28 years. The crucial date for the calculation of the age limit is the 1st of April 2024. The age relaxation will be given as per the rules. Qualification. The education qualification for the SBI Sports Quota Recruitment 2024 is graduation. The candidate should also be a meritorious sportsperson. Post name vacancy qualification officer 17 graduate jor sportsperson click 51 graduate jor sportsperson. The SBI Sports Quota Recruitment 2024 selection process includes the shortlisting and assessment test. The final merit list will be prepared based on total marks for selection as per the following assessment parameters. The qualifying marks in the assessment test will be decided by the bank. SN Assessment Parameter I Assessment of Recognized Sports Achievements Parameter II General Intelligence, Knowledge of Game Personality etc. Parameter E Activeness and Physical Fitness. Follow these steps to apply for the SBI Sports Quota Recruitment 2024. Visit the SBI Current Openings official website at bank.sb. Click on the SBI Sports Quota Recruitment 2024 Apply Online link. Click on the new registration link given on the next page. Complete the registration process. Log in and fill up the SBI Bank Sports Quota Application Form 2024. Upload the required documents, photograph, and signature. Pay the application fee. Submit the application form and take a print out of it.